is one of my favorite Filipino food.
Wow. So guys, nandito kami ngayon ni Nana sa Bacolod Inasal. Wala kasing yung Mang Inasal near sa place namin, kaya Bacolod Inasal na lang muna. Wow! So, ito yung in-order namin. Bangus na lumpia. Yeah, it's spicy. How was it? Delicious?
Huh?
What's your rate? 10 over 10. You're so fake. Come on. 10 over 10? Majide? 10 out of 10. So, ako naman, i-rate ko naman siya. Ito munang lumpiang bangus. First time ko lang kasi ito. Try this. Nana. Ang sarap niya, ah. Ang sarap.
This is one of my favorite Filipino food.
Wow. Is that real? So, may bago na siyang favorite. Hindi na kaldereta, guys. Ano na? Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Lumpiang bangus, guys, yung tinry niya. How was it? Spicy? Or because of the sauce? You should try this sauce. But what's your rate?
What's the inside?
Fish. The one that you eat last night.
Masarap. But, I prefer this.
You preferred this. So what's your rate, fish?
8.
Ako, guys, favorite ko na to.